Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Friday 11th July 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction lunchtime prediction first number 9, number 23, number 43, number 38, number 11, booster number 29. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership, 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49's 3 hot number, 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 2, number 19, number 35, number 20, number 45, booster number 39. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment.